Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem. If you are getting a problem into sending WhatsApp voice message, so let's see how can you fix it. It's maybe your WhatsApp has no access to your microphone. So we are going to solve this. First you have to keep a long press on WhatsApp app and then tap on the info icon, and here you have to select permissions. If you want these settings here, you just have to open your phone settings, and phone settings just go for apps. Here's the apps, tap on it. You have to select WhatsApp, just select it, and here select permissions. And permission, you just have to select microphone. Here you can see I have already allowed it. You just have to select allow only while using the app, or select always allow. After selecting it, if you are getting same problem, so you just have to check your hardware microphone. You have to make sure that your microphone has been in battery condition, and after doing this you just have to make a restart of your phone, and after restarting the phone your problem will be solved and you will easily send voice message. So thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.